Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths in mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with a telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So, if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. Guayma AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. Imagine a world where every pellet of material is placed exactly where it needs to be, thanks to an engineering marvel called the Oversize mini patter. This small but mighty device contains a whole orchestra of features, from the carefully designed mechanisms inside the cab that allow you to easily glide, accelerate, and maneuver the mini patter, to the unique ability to fold it up for easy transport. And add that to the double rotation of the OR 200 series shaker, which is tuned for optimal screening and efficient material removal. The result is a tool that can miraculously transform any ditch. Integrated hydraulic actuators add the cherry on the cake, allowing you to fine-tune the position of the vibrating screen without affecting conveyor operation. With the mini patter Aussies, every project becomes easier and more efficient. Forget the old way of working with pipes. The Triton 560 is designed to revolutionize your workflow. From 12 to 22 inches, no pipe will be an obstacle for this monster. With a self-contained turbo diesel engine and dual rubber tracks, the Triton is delivered right to the job site. And that's not all. Its 6-motion boom and carriage, which rotates a full 360 degrees, makes loading pipes a real spectacle. The operator can now control the entire process with a single remote control, increasing safety and control. Could there be anything better for pipe handling? It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work, and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. When two field cultivating machines work in unison, it is more than just an agronomic operation. They literally inspire the land, creating optimum conditions for its future. The Fractum Hammer, Model 100, is powered by a Volvo 380 excavator. The impact energy of this hammer is so great that the rock cannot absorb it. The Fractum doesn't even penetrate the rock, it only strikes the surface of the rock, and that's enough for effective crushing. Its braking principle is more like that of a conventional hammer, where a strong metal rod moving in a casing is simply lifted upwards and then falls on the material with tremendous force, causing it to sort of splinter. In this way, so much impact energy is applied to a small area that the material is unable to absorb it, and as a result, it simply disintegrates. There is also no need to transport large boulders that need to be broken up, because the excavator with the Fractum Model 100 mounted on it can drive itself to each individual stone. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR-150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press, and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring-rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. Now, let's take a look at the 4045 T-Series chain trencher from Interdrain in action. This is a mighty machine indeed, and it can easily handle such a task as laying a 15-inch Clark Farm drainage flexible agricultural slab. As you can see from the footage, nothing is impossible for the technological giant. The machine is also equipped with GPS auto grading, which is a huge advantage in this kind of work. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. Imagine a great lumberjack, but with the magic sword Spalt Fast Lift from Basting. This miracle mechanism allows you to cut beech trees up to 39 inches thick right from the cab of your tractor, as if you were driving a time machine, but instead of history, you change the landscape. This technique will make your work so easy that your friends may begin to suspect you of magic. Believe me, this way you will not only save your strength, but also your time, and the speed and efficiency of working with beech will reach a new level. If trenchers could brag, the Bracky T35B would definitely be among the first. This 3-row monster is ideal for mounting on large base machines and works like butter on all ground conditions. Its powerful discs cut through soil with ease for high performance and efficiency. The new 995 FDM proves once again that Lugong is focused on heavy-duty mining, quarrying, and demolition applications where cost per ton, reliability, operator safety, and comfort are key factors. The model features 3 operating modes: Eco, Standard, and Power. The 10 engine speeds allow the operator to balance power and efficiency to suit the requirements of the application. The 995 FDM also features an advanced adjustable electro-hydraulic system. This equipment has advanced functionality, including the ability to float the boom. The engine is an 18.1-liter, 447 kilowatt Perkins engine that delivers best-in-class breakout force at low RPM and high torque. Don't let the name Raptor 100 from Benoth mislead you. It's indeed gentle until it starts working. This rotary deep ripper is a deep machine for those who want to quickly and efficiently prepare the land. With a powerful 100 horsepower engine and the ability to literally chew through problem areas, the Raptor 100 makes complex tasks simple. Whether it's loosening hard rocks or introducing organic matter into the soil, this beast will handle any challenges. So, if you're ready to turn the ground in your garden or construction site into a soft cushion, give the Raptor 100 a chance. The XE7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication system and a variety of safety equipment to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the whole machine. And what's more, you can count on easy operation and convenient machine maintenance. Depending on the mining design, the machine can flexibly choose between 2 power options, diesel engine or motorized engine, and 2 operating modes. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. How do you transport a Cat 785D water tanker weighing 250,000 pounds across the scorching Pilbara? Sounds like a job for superheroes, but for the guys at NHH Hauling, it's just another workday. Equipped with everything necessary for safe and efficient transportation, they take on the responsibility of delivering this Titan to its new location, where it will help maintain order and prosperity. Rest assured, the route was perfected, and every mile was under the control of professionals. Moving ultra-heavy equipment weighing about 242 tons over 220 yards in 7 evenings? For Belmar's Yankee Dryer, this was possibly thanks to the company's precisely planned logistics and very advanced transportation technology. This example clearly demonstrates how advanced solutions can simplify complex tasks, reducing costs and delivery times, while ensuring absolute safety for valuable cargo at every step of a very long journey. Meet the Caterpillar 336 DLN, a 200C submersible excavator that is guaranteed to make your excavations a thing of the past. This powerful excavator is not only adept at handling heavy materials on land, but also conquers underwater depths with incredible ease. Its ability to work in water opened up new horizons for construction and reclamation. It's not every day you see a machine like this one turn an aquatic environment into its own worksite, is it? Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. Watching the process in which machines transform ordinary metal into a complex and precisely manufactured part is a truly fascinating experience. It's more than just manufacturing. It's the magic of technical creativity, where every second of transformation feels like a small miracle of engineering. Every detail matters. But what if one machine could change everything? Meet the MDS 5034 Schwing, your new best assistant on site. This monster is equipped with a 280 horsepower engine and can move mountains, or more precisely, up to 10 tons of cargo. Use its unique capabilities to the fullest. The precise control system and high reliability will make any task easier. Don't worry about the weather conditions. Schwing can handle any challenge. Remember, good equipment is the key to your project's success. You see a giant excavator which takes on the task of dismantling an old building. In its arsenal is the VTN MT-20 powerful hydraulic shears with 2 cylinders. They are like huge Terminator jaws, effortlessly cutting through metal and concrete, turning massive structures into a pile of rubble. With each bite of their steel teeth, the walls of this now never-needed structure surrender under the onslaught of strength and precision. And you know, it's not just dismantling, but a true superiority of power and engineering, transforming something old into a new space of possibility. To guarantee maximum user comfort and the possibility of installing the Cerberus suction vehicle in an urban environment, the stainless steel hood is equipped with soundproofing material to reduce operating noise. The filter bags are cleaned through counterflow compressed air nozzles. The Cerberus can become a multifunctional machine thanks to its modular concept, which allows the basic range of applications to be expanded. A high-lift mechanism allows the loaded material to be unloaded at a maximum height of 7.7 feet into containers of big bags. A hydraulically articulated 4-segment boom, jib, with a 9.8-inch suction hose diameter can be mounted on the rear tank door. A blow ejector can be installed to perform operations such as roof blowing with a maximum overpressure of 1.2 bar. Machine by adding a smart control module with data acquisition and transmission, available as standard equipment. The model is fully compatible with the optional AutoMine automation system, while it can also be equipped with an integrated weighing system to maximize its rated payload of 45 tons. In terms of service safety, the new model has numerous improvements, including easier access to the upper body and auxiliary handrails. Thanks to automation, operators can control remotely from anywhere in the mine or from the surface. Why do drainage contractors prefer Braun 585? This drainage plow is known for its ability to combine power with maneuverability, providing excellent visibility, precision plowing, and increased operator comfort. The Braun 585 is not just a plow, but a truly reliable tool that copes with any soil conditions with outstanding performance and stability. Quadtrain is 185 feet long and includes the patented tie-man coupling that ensures compliance with all performance-based standards, PBS requirements, including backward speed boost. The combination travels at 55 miles per hour when loaded and 162 miles per hour when empty. The roller connection of all 4 tanks eliminates the risk of the rear tank tipping over, thanks to a specially designed horizontal drawbar with support plate and kingpin. With a gross combined mass, GCM, of 186.5 tons, Fuel Trans achieves a payload of 157 kiloliters of diesel, and the payload of mixed motor fuel and diesel products exceeds 160 kiloliters. The SLJ series machine of Beijing Wall Joint Machinery Company, also known as Iron Monster, has become a step forward in bridge construction. It not only accelerates construction processes, but it also saves costs and resources. This monster can lift, carry, and install prefabricated bridge sections at a speed of 5 kilometers per hour without wasting time on assembly. The machine is about 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. However, this is a plus for the bridges because when they are designed by architects, they are given additional resources to withstand, such as load. However, this machine has a significant disadvantage. Its service life is limited to only 4 years. According to technological documentation, the Iron Monster can withstand the laying of 700 to 1,000 bridge spans, which is approximately equal to 4 years of fruitful work. In the realm of winter road maintenance, the Schmidt Supra 5002 snowblower stands out as a true giant. This powerful machine is designed to handle large volumes of snow quickly and efficiently. With its advanced blowing mechanisms and high capacity, the Supra 5002 ensures that roads, runways, and other critical areas remain clear and safe even during heavy snowfalls. Its robust construction and reliable performance make it an indispensable tool for winter maintenance operations, ensuring safety and accessibility in all weather conditions. You can see the brand new track drive from Multi-One mini loaders. It fulfills its primary purpose by providing maximum machine stability and traction with minimal ground damage and low ground pressure. The large contact area under the tracks reduces pressure, minimizes ground damage, and prevents falling through soft ground and rutting. So now you can have a truly superior ally in agriculture, green space and landscaping construction, and property maintenance. Speed up your mulching process with the L-Series mulching head from Lofness, specially designed for skid steers and compact track loaders, with a hydraulic flow rate of 15 to 35.9 gallons per minute and weighing up to 10,300 pounds. This powerful tool features the Battle Axe rotor and an exclusive 2-stage cutting chamber, together providing excellent mulching. You are guaranteed the finest and most stable particles, making the work not only fast, but also efficient. Are you already familiar with the CAT M323F two-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail-wheel drive. During track operation, there is no contact between the rubber wheel and the rail, so the operator can move the machine along the track without paying attention to the track infrastructure. Its short tail section and associated maneuverability make it particularly suited for working on embankments, noise barriers, overhead line masts, etc. At 5.12 feet long, this excavator fits into any tunnel and can also be used on narrow construction sites. With a counterweight of 7... Meet the newest Wolf DW630 dewatering machine. This impressive model features a powerful 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, allowing it to lay pipes up to 8 inches in diameter to a depth of 19 feet. Tests have shown how the machine performs in real-world conditions, demonstrating its reliability and performance. Now, friends, just check out the field footage of the DW630 to see it in action and appreciate the efficiency and accuracy of pipe laying and dewatering conditions. Most large European and South American companies that use roundwood as raw material have been using the RTD 3026 as the best material handling equipment for many years. The typical task for the RTD 3026 is to unload a truck. The main criterion for unloading efficiency is the whole set in one go, and when using TW's patented twin grapple, even 2 sets of trucks at the same time. A wide range of grapples and even customized grapples are available for the RTD 3026. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour, and what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. Bucket Mouth TSG 1000 Stump Grinder is up to any task. The company has been involved in site preparation and land conservation for over a decade, and its machinery has been involved in some of the largest land conversions in the world. The new tracked machine is ideal for plantations affected by forest fires or drought. With it, you can mulch standing trees, leaving behind a finish that can be planted immediately. The Bucket Mouth LSG 900 Stump Grinder, rugged, reliable, and efficient. The system returns all nutrients back to the soil when land is converted, removing all stumps ready for planting. Get the most out of vehicle disassembly with the Power Hand VRS 200. Combining the dexterity grapple with integrated scissors and the VRS 200 clamp with clamping legs that not only open and close to process engines and gearboxes, but also raise and lower to securely grip vehicle bodies during processing. The Power Hand VRS is the perfect combination of power and maneuverability, suitable for installation on most machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Plier-like dexterity grapple provides a continuous line of sight from operator to vehicle, allowing valuable materials such as copper wire harness to be extracted from even the hardest to reach places. Powerful hydraulic cylinders and a high torque rotation mechanism gives the VRS the ability to cut through a vehicle with ease. Armed with a magnetic tool, this giant machine turns the process of clearing large areas of metal debris into a quick and easy task. Its efficiency is astounding, proving that advanced technology is capable of miracles in the most mundane processes. Let's talk about servicing the Airbus A380. That's where the Doll X-Cat L steps onto the scene with inhuman grace and strength. Just look at this specialized transporter, capable of lifting and moving the aircraft with maximum precision and skill. The Doll X-Cat L's ability to handle such a giant proves that even sky giants can be tamed with the right equipment. Ready to see how technology is changing aviation logistics? The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using Ranch Tech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. The Volvo A45G is a truly unique articulated hauler that is designed to haul heavy loads in challenging off-road conditions. This machine guarantees you smooth operation, proven Volvo technology, and an impressive level of comfort for sustainable business. The machine ensures high productivity and reduces cost per ton of load transported. Operators appreciate the Volvo A45G's comfortable cab and easy handling, even under the toughest conditions. When the flax field looks like a vast sea of green stems, you need a harvester that can handle this green ocean. This flax harvester is a true revolution in agronomy. It is equipped with special cutting mechanisms that carefully cut and collect flax without damaging it. The flexible feeding and cleaning system ensures high productivity and minimal losses. Forget about laborious manual harvesting. With such a harvester, your flax field becomes easier to manage. Get ready to meet advanced underground work technologies with the Sandvik DL422IE. This tunnel and ore mining drill rig represents the latest achievement in underground drilling. With a maximum drilling depth of up to 72 feet and a feed force of up to 52,000 pounds, it demonstrates outstanding performance and precision in the most challenging conditions. Just look at the power of the Meritractor MT7700 and the Mericrusher MJHS 311 DTX in action. Here are revolutionary machines that are designed to prepare the land after harvest and before new planting. Equipped with a mechanical power takeoff, the Meritractor MT7700 is an efficient crawler tractor that easily tackles tough conditions where other tractors retreat. Combined with the Mericrusher MJHS 311 DTX, a powerful mulcher suitable for tractors up to 750 HP, this tandem not only crushes residue and stumps, but also ensures ideal soil preparation. With innovative crushing technology and overload protection, the Mericrusher delivers unrivaled results, making every operation more efficient and cost-effective. The powerful 250 SM Vario quarry harvester is used for selective mining of raw material with uniaxial compressive strengths up to 120 millipascal. The 8.2 foot wide milling unit, precisely matched to the job parameters with a working depth of up to 1.48 feet, guarantees maximum productivity with minimal wear. In backfill mode, cut rock is dumped behind the machine, creating a level embankment suitable for crossing. A combined center of gravity above the cutter drum axis ensures maximum force transfer from the cutter to the rock. The fully glazed operator cab is equipped with a heater, air conditioning, sound, and vibration isolation to reduce operator strain and help improve efficiency. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. Forget about hammers and the good old manual labor. The Vermeer PD10R is a pile driver that does all the heavy lifting for you. This monster, with hundreds of horsepower, drives piles with such precision that even the most demanding engineers applaud. With it, building fences, foundations, or power lines becomes a breeze. Intrigued? Think of the Vermeer PD10R as your personal robot that never gets tired, never complains, and always does an excellent job. The new 995 FDM proves once again that Lu Gong is focused on heavy-duty mining, quarrying, and demolition applications where cost per ton, reliability, operator safety, and comfort are key factors. The model features 3 operating modes: Eco, Standard, and Power. The 10 engine speeds allow the operator to balance power and efficiency to suit the requirements of the application. The 995 FDM also features an advanced adjustable electro-hydraulic system. This equipment has advanced functionality, including the ability to float the boom. The engine is an 18.1-liter, 447 kilowatt Perkins engine that delivers best-in-class breakout force at low RPM and high torque. Meet the dynamic duo of Cargo 121 and Gripto 709, the perfect combination for any locking operation. The Cargo 121, a forwarder with an impressive load capacity and easy handling, is perfect for transporting logs over long distances. Paired with the Gripto 709, a crane with unrivaled precision and flexibility, this tandem ensures efficient and fast logging. Tired of slow and inefficient processes? Give this pair a chance to show you how to get the job done. This heavy-duty rail-mounted robot, SLR 150H, from Dango and Dienenthal, has been designed for gripping, turning, lifting, and tilting rings and discs. In addition, its pincers with easily switchable gripping surfaces enable various forging operations. With a choice between manual, semi-automatic, or fully automatic integrated SLR control, maximum flexibility is ensured. The heavy-duty robots of the SLR series are indeed the best choice for frequently repetitive handling operations, such as moving forgings between furnace and press, and loading and unloading rotary hearth furnaces. They are specially designed for use in forging and ring rolling shops. In other words, for heavy loads, high-temperature environments, and applications requiring long reach. Forget old-fashioned unloading methods. The innovative treadmill cart takes the process to a whole new level. Loaders no longer have to exhaust their energy, because this technology ensures efficiency and reliability without any extra effort. Meet the X-Power XPA, a new generation electric machine designed specifically for keeping different roadside areas in order. The machine easily tackles nuisance weeds, even in the hardest to reach places, making it easy to keep slopes in perfect condition. With a side-mounted lawn mowing attachment, the X-Power XPA offers a solution that combines efficiency and environmental friendliness, simplifying roadside maintenance without unnecessary effort. Mega bottom dump trailers are designed to handle higher density and higher abrasion materials. MBDs are designed to meet OEM tire and tractor axle load limitations, as well as applicable ROPS, emergency steering, and braking performance criteria. The specific design maximizes the use of OEM components in the development of trailer, suspension, wheel, and brake system components. Here he is, an artist of the agricultural world, a picker and packer who works with such genuine passion that he can be compared to an insatiable beast, and his work to a gastronomic marathon. This technique seems to know no fatigue. You are about to see how Max Wild specialists, together with their construction equipment, demolished the dilapidated bridge on the A7 highway over the River Iller in Germany. The bridge, 197 feet long and 62 feet wide, was stressed across and along with extra strong pre-stressed steel. The team utilized 9 excavators at once with various attachments including a shredder, demolition, and scrap shears, a sorting grapple, and a hydraulic chisel. Also utilized were 2 Max Wild wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and various trucks. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. The Cenoboggan Model A25E is a new generation forklift with a maximum outreach of 46 feet and a powerful 129 kilowatt diesel engine that is optimally suited for various sorting and unloading tasks in warehouses and construction sites. Thanks to its mobile undercarriage with 4-point outriggers, the loader can quickly move from A to B while remaining safe and in place during operation. The loader is equipped with the original Cenoboggan SGM multi-hull grapple with a capacity of 600 to 800 liters and 5 grapple cups. The combination of machine and grapple provides optimum actuation for particularly delicate work and optimum machine adjustment, enabling it to deliver maximum productivity day in and day out. I bet you can't imagine what wonders are unfolding on the screen now, and what you are about to see will exceed all expectations. Watching the actions of such a powerful technique, you can't help but catch yourself thinking, magic exists. Its ability to transform complex tasks into a real art makes your heart beat faster, and it is impossible to take your eyes off what is happening. The complex system of the entire large mechanism creates a perfectly compressed raw material that is instantly ready for use. The efficiency and thoughtfulness of the process is astonishing. CIFA's K67H model, mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom, introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. Here comes Volvo's HX1 autonomous dump truck, which sets new standards in the construction industry. With its 15-ton payload and all-electric engine, the HX1 is the pinnacle of engineering and sustainability. From four-wheel steering for improved maneuverability to an energy recovery system that maximizes every bit of energy expended, this dump truck is packed with advanced technology. With zero emissions, the HX1 is an eco-friendly solution that reduces environmental impact and improves air quality on job sites. Czech company Tatra has revealed its promising model, a truck with a fuel cell propulsion system. With a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons, the Force eDrive has traction electric motors with combined output of 480 kilowatts, 653 horsepower, and 2,300 newton meters. All this torque is distributed between the wheels of the 3 rear axles. The engines are powered by a unit with fuel cells. In them, there is an electrochemical reaction of hydrogen with air, or rather with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity, and as a side effect, water is formed. Thus, the Force eDrive's only exhaust is water vapor. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. If you are looking for an effective and cost-effective solution for your woodworking needs, the Wagner 2WD log stacker is worth a look. Not only do these machines require less maintenance due to their advanced design, but they also promise significant cost savings through less tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. The updated Wagner cab not only improves operator visibility and comfort, but also significantly improves productivity. With the addition of 3-wheel steering, these log stackers are ideal for working in tight spaces, eliminating the need for costly center pivot repairs that are common on larger wheel loaders. Have you ever seen how real giants move? No, not dinosaurs, but real sea giants. And the port of Houston, deep south, took on the heroic task. Imagine 3 huge ship parts, the heaviest of which weighs an incredible 1,800,000 pounds. Each was carefully loaded onto barges, using Shirley's SPMT's 124 axle lines. These marine giants were delivered to the final stage of their journey. And guess what? It's truly the spectacle of the century, where engineering marvels combine with the power of nature. Imagine a great lumberjack, but with the magic sword Spalt Fast Lift from Basting. This miracle mechanism allows you to cut beech trees up to 39 inches thick, right from the cab of your tractor, as if you were driving a time machine. But instead of history, you change the landscape. This technique will make your work so easy that your friends may begin to suspect you of magic. Believe me, this way you will not only save your strength, but also your time, and the speed and efficiency of working with beech will reach a new level. Well, and finally, meet the Mency RP10, a brush cutter that turns your excavator into a real medieval knight. Only instead of a sword, it has a cutting head that can rotate 360 degrees. This mounted knight effortlessly cuts through wild brush and removes unwanted trees and stumps, as if fighting a dragon. With the ability to adjust to multiple angles, the Mency RP10 is suitable for any task, be it a battle in a dense forest or on a winding hill. Its blades are so powerful that it can cut through tough vegetation and small trees with ease, making it an essential warrior in your arsenal of construction equipment. The Ocean Farm, with a length of 1,263 feet, is a revolution in fish farming, uniquely combating advanced technology and environmental responsibility. This innovative farm withstands the harsh weather conditions of the open sea, providing optimal conditions for fish life. All fish swim in the purest water thanks to constant currents, improving their health and product quality. This sustainable farm design minimizes environmental impact and reduces emissions, making it a truly ecological project. The production and transportation of oil rigs is a complex and large-scale process, requiring precise coordination and advanced technologies. Modern oil rigs, such as deep-water drilling platforms, are engineering marvels up to several hundred meters high and weighing tens of thousands of tons. The production of these giants begins at shipyards and specialized plants, where rig components are assembled to the highest safety and reliability standards. Pavelli is a leader in the production of fully customized trailers. In its 40-year history, the company has retained its artisanal touch and family management and has been able to spread from Italy to the whole of Europe, all the way to America and Asia. That is why it has created a new special modular low-bed semi-trailer. Such a machine has a high frame with a center beam, extendable and expandable, as well as a removable neck with adjustable height. The entire structure has been hot-dip galvanized, which provides high resistance to corrosive agents and extends the life of the frame. The slow-frame semi-trailer is equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with knee mechanism, as well as a hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvers. Brachyplanter P11.A is an excavator-based machine designed for soil preparation, planting, irrigation, and fertilization of eucalyptus seedlings. The brachyplanting head is mounted on a John Deere 200 DLC hydraulic excavator, 119 kilowatts, fully adapted for forestry operations. The brachy machine holds 72 pipes, a carousel. Each pipe is 2.36 inches in diameter. 2 new buckets have been added to the excavator boom to hold up to 39 inches cubed of granular fertilizer. The machine's base modification includes replacing the solid ballast with a 3,500-liter water tank. Behind the water tank, the machine has shells for carrying seedlings to the plot. During transportation, the seedlings are kept moist by a special irrigation system. The Twinka ES500 Slim from Twinka has a payload capacity of 0.5 tons and is ideal for limited space. This mini dump truck is designed for gardens, gardening, as well as for demolition and outdoor work, etc. The high lift feature increases efficiency and is particularly characterized by the ability to unload stacked or over high edges, such as a container. At 32.11 feet, the ES500 Slim has a very comfortable loading height. A fully charged battery keeps the machine running for a full day's work, and charging takes 4 to 5 hours. The machine's automatic steering mechanism reduces the need for physical labor to a minimum, even when the mini dump truck is heavily loaded. The steering mechanism can be moved and adjusted according to the operator's height. This helps ensure an optimal ergonomic working position for the operator and reduces physical strain. You see a new 7-axle super dump on the new Kenworth T800. This incredibly cool dump truck is rated at 80,000 pounds in the Federal Bridge formula and allows you to load over 25 tons. Several options are available, including the IntelliTruck control system with onboard scales, rear-view camera, and body angle monitor. Meet the Vermeer SC1052, your new main hero in the garden. This stump grinder doesn't just process trees, it does it with a special flair. With a 105 horsepower engine, the SC1052 can turn even the largest stumps into mulch in minutes. Just watch the power and efficiency of this iron beast in action. Take a look at the revolutionary brick-making machine from SNPC Machines India, a fully automated marvel that can produce up to 6,000 bricks per hour. This device not only simplifies the process, requiring only 3 to 4 workers to operate, but is also the world's first mobile machine that can lay bricks while moving. Cool, isn't it? Using raw materials such as clay, mud, or a mixture of both with fly ash, this machine is ideal for Idabata, brick factories, and kilns, where high productivity of red bricks is required. The Leeboy 8520 is the ideal machine for the heavy commercial paving market. This machine is equipped with a larger engine and a larger capacity hopper to guarantee outstanding results. With the Leeboy's ultra-efficient material management system, the Leeboy's slow-moving conveyor system moves material evenly from the truck to the smoothing plate for a simply flawless finish. Designed specifically for paving professionals, the Leeboy is a very robust design for the elite Leeboy family of pavers. With its stable and robust splitter twin-wave screening platform, the Track Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has 2 tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, 1 crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored piles up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA moving mode, where it can install pipes up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. The new MulchMate Model DS1000 is an all-electric, virtually silent mulch delivery system that attaches to your existing truck. The MulchMate will allow you to increase the speed of your operation without hiring more people, because the MulchMate allows the entire crew to finish the job faster and can complete more work without having to put in overtime hours. It greatly reduces overtime costs. MulchMate can help you complete mulching jobs 50 to 75% faster. The augers whip the mulch so well that you can spread 10 yards of mulch as 12 to 13 yards. This can reduce your overall material cost by 20% or more. So, the machine really simplifies one of the most difficult parts of mulching. MulchMate keeps workers on the ground and spreads mulch directly into a wheelbarrow with a simple push of a joystick. When it comes to loading and transporting wood, the Verladezang front loader, Dragpunkt from Frigel, turns your tractor into a real superhero on the farm. This loading grab attaches to the front loader and provides a secure grip and maneuverability. In fact, no matter what you need to lift, logs, hay bales, or large bags, the Verladezang can handle it all. Imagine your tractor deftly lifting and moving loads, making the job faster and easier. Have you ever wondered what technology is behind fast and efficient ditching in peatlands? Get to know the OJK Auger Ditcher, designed especially for this task. Thanks to their powerful auger, they can easily handle trees, roots, and stumps, allowing you to work even on frozen ground. Interestingly, only one pass is enough to create a ditch. In addition, thanks to the clever design, the peat is thrown away over a distance, ensuring an even distribution over the entire length of the ditch. The hydraulic backplates prevent the material from flowing back into the ditch, which is especially important when cleaning old ditches. Meet the Centurion Tire Trailer, the master of transportation who carries tires like no other. This trailer is designed to meet the most demanding logistics needs, ensuring the safest and efficient delivery of large batches of tires. Its durable construction and optimized space make it an indispensable asset for large productions and distribution centers. If trailers had Olympic Games, the Centurion Tire Trailer would undoubtedly take gold for weightlifting. Introducing the timber truck giant, Scania R540 from Maus Holzen Transporte. As impressive as its history since 1896, this powerful tractor is equipped with a long wooden body from Vodzigbau Kramer and a blue Pelfinger Epsilon S270L crane that harmoniously complements its style. A tireless helper in the forestry industry, the Scania R540 has a 540 horsepower engine and a torque of 2,700 Nm, allowing it to effortlessly transport large volumes of timber. The crane, with a working moment of 242 kN and a rotational movement of 39 kN at 385 degrees, makes loading and unloading an incredibly easy task. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. Be high side loads. When it comes time to tackle impenetrable growth, only one hero can take on the challenge: the Predator 1700H chain mulcher. This powerful mulcher is equipped with a hydrostatic drive system, thus ensuring high performance and unrivaled maneuverability. Its specially designed chain leaves even the most stubborn bushes and limbs no chance. Just look at how this monster transforms the ground with ease, preparing it for any future plans. The Dymant 2000 convinces with the best shredding quality, off-road performance, and durability. It is driven by a permanent all-wheel drive system with independent hydromechanical drive on the two main axles. This means that even hill climbs or rough terrain can be easily traversed. The rotor, which is the heart of the chopper, has been continuously improved. The machine can produce chopped materials from 0.59 to 2.36 inches thick, and its blade holders are interchangeable. Thus, they adapt to different chopping materials and provide the best results with existing material. Czech company Tatra has revealed its promising model, a truck with a fuel cell propulsion system. With a gross vehicle weight of 45 tons, the Force eDrive has traction electric motors with combined output of 480 kilowatts, 653 horsepower, and 2,300 Newton meters. All this torque is distributed between the wheels of the three rear axles. The engines are powered by a unit with fuel cells. In them, there is an electrochemical reaction of hydrogen with air, or rather with oxygen, resulting in the production of electricity, and as a side effect, water is formed. Thus, the Force eDrive's only exhaust is water vapor. It is a mesmerizing process when a metal mesh is born out of ordinary metal under the power of skillful machines. It is a true art, where the machines become an indispensable assistant in such painstaking work. Python Pothole Patchers is a completely new approach to pothole repair and road maintenance. It allows you to fix potholes while they are still small and extend the life of your roads. The Python 5000 Plus performs long-lasting repairs using standard asphalt mixes, both hot and cold, and also has the unique ability to perform continuous repair of long cracks and joints in the road. One person, the operator, can keep the roads in a small village or municipality in good condition all year round. S12 generation and complements perfectly the Kaiser range. TMC Cancella's forestry mulching solutions are definitely built for the toughest working conditions. This equipment is specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stump residues after felling. It produces a very high degree of mulching, often with sawdust. The technique has been developed with high build quality, using high-strength steel and the latest technology for production. Due to the versatility and efficiency, this company's forest mulchers have become simply indispensable tools in the forestry industry, providing an effective means of land preparation and vegetation control. Also be used for simpler yet complex tasks. For example, when it is necessary to transport a huge stone boulder from a field to another place in Germany. As you can see, this technique coped with the job perfectly. When it comes to heavy transport, Capel plays in the big league. In the port of Dunkirk, they marked the debut of the new Charleroi K25 by staging a real show with the transportation of steel beams weighing 140 tons. Can you imagine such a sight? Why imagine, just watch. These tractors, like comic book superheroes, carry loads that others can only dream of. So, are you ready for a new level of freight transportation? Capel and their new K25 are already revving their engines. Here's a riddle for you. What can turn a huge log into a cozy warmth of your fireplace? No, not magic. It's Tash Fund's RCA wood turners. These guys in the logging equipment business are true professionals at turning woody biomass into firewood. So, if you're looking for something that will simplify your life and make the process safe, you've found what you need. Want to know the secret to flawless roadsides and neat greenery? It's not magic. It's the Spearhead Twigaflex 890T. With its telescopic boom reaching up to 29 feet and the ability to cut any direction, this wonder trimmer can handle any bushes and trees that dare to stand in its way. And considering it's equipped with a powerful hydraulic drive, the task of transforming your territory becomes no more challenging than a walk in the park. And yes, it doesn't tire or complain about the heat or cold because it has no emotions, only tasks. The Schwingstetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism and thus offers unique mobility during use. Imagine a world where every pellet of material is placed exactly where it needs to be, thanks to an engineering marvel called the Oversize Mini Patter. This small but mighty device contains a whole orchestra of features, from the carefully designed mechanisms inside the cab that allow you to easily glide, accelerate, and maneuver the mini patter, to the unique ability to fold it up for easy transport. And add that to the double rotation of the OR 200 series shaker, which is tuned for optimal screening and efficient material removal. The result is a tool that can miraculously transform any ditch. Integrated hydraulic actuators add the cherry on the cake, allowing you to fine-tune the position of the vibrating screen without affecting conveyor operation. With the Mini Patter Aussies, every project becomes easier and more efficient. If you're looking for a crane that not only lifts your loads, but also lifts the spirits of the entire crew, then the SMC 812CCL is your ideal candidate. With its spacious cabin equipped with all amenities, operators will compete to work for the right to work with this crane. The SMC 812CCL combines outstanding lifting capacity with excellent maneuverability, making complex tasks surprisingly simple. It's not just a crane, it's a masterclass in efficiency and comfort at the workplace. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. Imagine the complete dredging cycle from United Dredging, a true symphony of engineering artistry. The machines start with precise milling and soil extraction, perfecting every movement. With up to 24,000 kilowatts of power, they can remove and move up to 5 million gallons of water and soil per hour. These technical titans turn tough soil into light sand and gravel ready for use. Want to see how hard work turns into art? Get the most out of vehicle disassembly with the Power Hand VRS 200. Combining the dexterity grapple with integrated scissors and the VRS 200 clamp with clamping legs that not only open and close to process engines and gearboxes, but also raise and lower to securely grip vehicle bodies during processing. The Power Hand VRS is the perfect combination of power and maneuverability, suitable for installation on most machines with a payload capacity of 20 to 25 tons. Plier-like dexterity grapple provides a continuous line of sight from operator to vehicle, allowing valuable materials such as copper wire harness to be extracted from even the hardest to reach places. Powerful hydraulic cylinders and a high torque rotation mechanism gives the VRS the ability to cut through a vehicle with ease. Meet the Mix and Go series of concrete mixer attachments for mini skid steer loaders. Use these powerful machines to pick up material, mix it on site or on the move, and then spread it in one of 3 convenient ways. These attachments will save you time when pouring small to medium volumes and make you think twice about bringing a truck to the job site. The mixer bucket boasts unrivaled strength and performance, easily mixing and pouring large volumes of concrete quickly, efficiently, and accurately. With the new TP470 Vario, A-Buy has entered a new performance class for its machines. The powerful sharing continuously variable drive machine is equipped with a VM turbo diesel engine with a total output of 136 horsepower. The new model is based on the VT450 Vario, but has been completely structurally rebuilt. According to the management assurance, with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design. With the SEPI Universal Stone Crusher and the MIDI Soil DT Tillage Cultivator, the little brother of Star Soil, you can do many things. Crush stone, stabilize soil, chop stumps, mulch wood, and recycle material for any road surface. The MIDI Soil DT is a new multifunctional crusher mulcher for tractors with medium PTO, 100 to 170 horses. This machine is equipped with a new innovative dual variant linkage with a more robust transmission and additional crushing bars. The Bacchus A38 represents the culmination of innovative developments in the field of ecological engineering, being an advanced extension of the Bacchus A36. This triangular windrow tedder is particularly effective in areas requiring maximum precision and productivity, such as composting green waste or remediating contaminated land. The machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins engine, compliant with a Tier 5 emission standard, ensuring environmentally friendly operation even in the most demanding conditions. With a track drive available in 3 variations, including rubber and steel tracks, the Bacchus A38 adapts to different types of surfaces, offering optimal traction and durability depending on the configuration chosen. Just look at AME International's revolutionary Easy Gripper, designed to manage tires up to 95 inches in diameter. This powerful 2-ton gripper, equipped with special extensions, guarantees safe and efficient handling of large off-road tires. Integration with various loading equipment allows for easy control of the wheel mounting and dismounting process, making operators' jobs much easier. Features such as a 3-point handle for gentle handling, infrared cameras for precise positioning, and a quick change module for flexibility of use make Easy Gripper the ideal solution to increase work productivity and reduce risk. When the roadsides start to look more overgrown than your garden after a vacation, it's time to call in the Ducker SGG Schneid Grief Gebläse. This miracle machine not only perfectly cuts any grass in its path, but also collects it without the hassle of filling its spacious tank. Goodbye, garbage collectors and broom pickers. This mechanical wizard does all the dirty work himself. Dreaming of a career in structural demolition? Then consider Epiroc CB7500 Concrete Breaker, your personal bridge breaker. Don't waste time on the small touches when you can do it all in one powerful blow. The CB7500 turns even the toughest bridges into a pile of rubble. Very efficiently and accurately. And don't worry about debris. Everything happens so cleanly that almost no cleanup is required. The Skier Pro Plus Skid Steer Grader is an innovative new attachment that will take your leveling and leveling operations to the next level. See how the Pro Plus performs in various ways in this product demonstration. The company tested the attachment on a gravel road, an off-road riding trail, and an equestrian area. Just look at how cleanly and efficiently the Skier system performs in such a wide range of applications. From heavy leveling to precision layout, this attachment can be relied upon. The Menzimuck M545X, often referred to as the Ferrari among spider excavators, is a high-performance, all-purpose machine designed for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain. With its sophisticated high-tech chassis and patented boom, this walking excavator adapts to any terrain, making it ideal for operations such as anchoring in ski regions, building forest roads and paths, laying foundations for power transmission towers and cable car supports. A special machine with tongs does the impossible, converting an entire bus into scrap metal in a matter of minutes. Efficiently and effortless, it reduces the volume of bulky waste, preparing it for recycling. The Pecan Gullwing is a breakthrough solution for farmers looking to maximize efficiency and meet road regulations. This device is designed to use dual wheels while maintaining a narrow transport width. The transition between work and transport modes takes only 20 to 30 seconds. In work mode, the dual pneumatic wheels extend 4.9 feet behind the tractor, minimizing ground pressure and improving traction. And in transport mode, they fold compactly behind the cab. This not only improves mobility, but also allows the use of various agricultural equipment without affecting cross-country ability. The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V 92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has 2 tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, 1 crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy.